sounds of the cabin in the morning. Only in China you can hear these noises. Just woken up to the sounds of, yes, the sounds of China in a train coach, train cabin. That makes it feels like. Hear that? The noise is such. Yes. We are approaching Shanghai railway station. Hey, if you're talking about hard sleeper on overnight trains, this overnight slow train in China, this is how it looks. You got one down the bottom, one in the middle, and one right on the roof. The higher you go, cheaper it becomes. The lower you go, the more it becomes. It's only about 20 cents anyway. So that's about it. And this is how the corridor section looks like. The noises, and that's where the rack for your luggage and so on. Here we are, arriving back in Shanghai after leaving here on the evening of Friday, the 20th of May 2016. Hello. This is it. This is it. There's a lovely passenger from our train. And yeah, this is it. And there we go. You got some chairs to sit on. Having almond from Sinin, Gansu province. And all these to keep you blocked overnight. You don't want to go to the toilets. Yeah, let me take you through there too. Journey of the carriage. There's all our passengers overnight. That's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning. That's it. This is our washing area. Yeah. They're brushing, they're having all sorts. And this is the toilet. I'll show you when it comes out. That's it. That's the smoking spot. Is that right? Smokers. For smoking. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And we can get hot water in there. Yeah, that's a hot water spot. Another carriage similar to the one that we were on. Hello, good morning. That's a hot water. Hot water. And yeah. There's the toilet. Oh, that's the toilet.